Hi friends. I'm Diya. Welcome to my world. Are you ready to play, learn, and go on an adventure? Yay! Let's go! Uh-oh! Something's tickling Elephant's nose. Is he gonna sneeze? Get ready! It tickles and prickles, a funny old tease. A big sneeze is coming, if you please. A-CHOO. The sneeze is getting near. A-CHOO. The biggest sneeze you'll ever hear. Wow! Did you see all that fly by? What a powerful, whooshing sky. Elephants sneeze just like you and me. Sometimes it's dusty, can't you see? So next time you sneeze, don't you fret. Even elephants sneeze, you can bet.